Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh. Hi, I will show you how to stop family members from deleting apps that are installed on iPhones and iPads. To do this, open the Settings app from the home screen of your iPhone or iPad. Next, in the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on Screen Time. On Screen Time menu, scroll down and select Content and Privacy Restrictions. On Content and Privacy Restrictions, tap on iTunes and App Store Purchases, as shown. Now on iTunes and App Store Purchases, tap on Deleting Apps located right under Store Purchases and Redownloads. Finally, on Deleting Apps, simply select the option Don't Allow to block deletion of apps. It's that simple. Hope you enjoyed this video. Have a nice day. Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh.